Home security is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In 2026, protecting your house, apartment, or office has become more important than ever. Today, I've carefully selected the top 5 best home security systems in the USA for 2026, covering every type of user, from low-budget basic protection to advanced premium security solutions. All product links are given in the description below for your convenience, so you can easily check them out later. On number 5, we have the Simply Safe 11-piece wireless home security system Gen 3, one of the most premium and feature-rich home security solutions available in the USA. This system comes with multiple sensors, a wireless indoor HD camera, and optional 24/7 professional monitoring. It works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. And the best part is, there's no long-term contract required. If you want a complete, hassle-free, ready-to-use security solution that covers your entire home without complicated wiring, Simply Safe is an excellent choice. Setup is simple, the mobile alerts are fast, and overall reliability is very high. However, the reason I've placed it at number 5 is because it's the most expensive product on this list. The current buying price range is around $350. If budget is not a concern and you want premium features with peace of mind, this system is absolutely worth considering. On number 4, we have the Karuwe standalone home, office, and shop security alarm system, and this is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This system does not require Wi-Fi, GSM, apps, or subscriptions. It includes a loud indoor or outdoor siren, motion sensor, door contact sensor, and remote control. The siren can go up to 115 decibels, which is loud enough to alert neighbors and scare intruders instantly. If you want basic security at the lowest possible cost, this system delivers excellent value for money. It's perfect for small homes, shops, garages, or rental apartments where you don't want complicated smart features. The current buying price range is about $42, making it one of the most affordable home security solutions available. If your priority is maximum value on a tight budget, this is the best option for you. On number 3, we have the Acura Smart Doorbell Camera G410. And yes, this also falls under home security. Not everyone needs a full home security system. Some people just want a high-quality, reliable doorbell camera, and in that case, Acura is an excellent choice. This doorbell camera offers 2K resolution, two-way audio, a built-in chime, and strong ecosystem support, including Apple HomeKit Secure Video, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Home Assistant. It also supports both wireless and wired installation. In my experience, this is one of the best smart doorbell cameras you can buy in this price range. It provides excellent video clarity, strong smart features, and smooth performance. The current buying price range is around $130. If you don't want full home coverage but want strong front door security, this is the best option for you. On number 2, we have the A&K 3K Lite wired outdoor security camera system, and this is the best wired CCTV system on our list. This system includes an 8-channel DVR, 8 outdoor cameras, AI-based human and vehicle detection, color night vision, and a 1 TB hard drive for local storage. Since it's a wired system, reliability is extremely high, especially for long-term outdoor surveillance. If you're looking for a wired security camera system for outdoor use, such as for large homes, offices, warehouses, or parking areas, this system is an excellent choice. The current buying price range is around $240, which is very reasonable considering the number of cameras and features included. For users who prioritize stability, recording, and outdoor coverage, this is the best wired solution. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the PGSD Home Security System, and this is the best overall and most affordable home security solution in 2026. This system includes an alarm siren, door and window sensors, remote controls, and phone alerts. It works with Alexa, has no monthly fee, and is suitable for houses, apartments, and offices. What makes this system number 1 is its perfect balance of price, features, and reliability. It offers smart security without forcing you into expensive subscriptions, and setup is simple even for beginners. The current buying price range is around $129, making it an outstanding value for money. If you want a complete home security system that is affordable, smart, and effective, this is the best choice for most users. So that's our list of the top 5 best home security systems in the USA for 2026. Comment down which product you like most. Remember, all product links are given in the description below for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to secure their home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.